Welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the process of decorating a stunning mid-century modern master bedroom. We'll be using a carefully selected set of components to achieve that iconic mid-century look. Let's get started. Scene 1, Bed Area. First, we'll focus on the bed area. Begin by placing your mid-century platform bed in the center of the room. Add a minimalist headboard for a sleek look. Make sure it's centered and secured. Scene 2, Nightstands. Now, let's flank the bed with mid-century nightstands. These provide storage and complete the balanced look of your sleeping area. Scene 3, Dresser and Wardrobe. Next, position the dresser opposite the bed, and the wardrobe nearby. These pieces will help keep your room organized while maintaining the mid-century aesthetic. Scene 4, Wall Decor. Moving on to wall-mounted shelving. Place these above the dresser or near the wardrobe. They're perfect for displaying decorative items and adding some personality to your space. Scene 5, Lighting. Don't forget mid-century lighting. Install a pendant light or a Sputnik chandelier in the center of the room. It's a focal point that ties the room together. Scene 6, Area Rug. Lay down your mid-century area rug under the bed. This adds warmth and texture to the room while complementing the overall design. Scene 7, Full-length mirror. Now, position a full-length mirror near the dresser or wardrobe. It not only serves a practical purpose but also reflects light, making the room feel more spacious. Scene 8, Accent Wall. Consider painting an accent wall in a contrasting color or applying a geometric wallpaper pattern. This adds visual interest to your mid-century modern bedroom. Scene 9, Windows and Doors. Make the most of your large windows and sliding glass doors. Keep window treatments minimal to maximize natural light and maintain the mid-century vibe. Scene 10, Wood paneling and fireplace. If you have wood paneling, maintain it to enhance that classic mid-century charm. If possible, include a mid-century modern fireplace as a centerpiece. Scene 11, Eames Lounge Chair. Incorporate the iconic Eames Lounge Chair for a touch of luxury and comfort. It's perfect for a cozy reading nook. Scene 12, Credenza and Desk. Place a credenza near the entry and a simple desk for a workspace or vanity area. These pieces maintain the clean lines and functionality of the mid-century style. Scene 13, Greenery and Room Divider. Add mid-century planters with greenery to infuse life into the room. Lastly, if needed, use a room divider to define spaces within the bedroom. Conclusion. There you have it, a beautifully decorated mid-century modern master bedroom using all the key components. Remember, it's all about clean lines, natural materials, and a touch of retro charm. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!